with Time to Teach. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am a third grade teacher in the state of Washington, and I will be starting my 12th year of teaching, and I am so excited. This will be the second year I've been teaching third grade at the school that I'm currently at, and my fourth year there. So I absolutely love third grade, and I'm just excited for the school year. So today is actually August 2nd. It's Friday. Kids do not start school in Washington State until September 5th, I believe. It's a Thursday. That's the day we always start because we go to the end of June. So, subscribers, I'm up to 451 subscribers, and that is such a blessing that you would subscribe to my channel to see my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to head up to my school today. I know some of you are probably thinking it's kind of early to get started, but next week we are not allowed in our rooms because they'll be waxing and cleaning, so we can't go at all. So I only have today and tomorrow. I will not go on Sunday. I want to go to church and all of that, so I won't go on Sunday, but I have today and tomorrow. My goal today, because my room is already, you know, set up from last year, but of course I want to change some things. So today I'm going to take down my 2 white bulletin boards. I don't have the paper yet, don't have the funds to buy a bunch of new stuff this year. I'm just putting that off for right now, but I will be buying the paper as soon as I can, because I'm going to buy the that new paper that everyone's using, Better Than Paper or whatever. I saw it at Hobby Lobby, so I'll buy that when I can. I want to put black up. Some goals today. We'll see what I get done and how long I stay, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So here we go. Okay, see you soon. Hey everybody, we just pulled up to the school, and I brought Allie with me. If you've seen my other videos, she's my, you know Allie, she's my little dog. I just didn't want to leave her at home. I mean, Bradley and Stevie are there, but they sleep all day, so. You want to go help Mama fix up her room? Allie, you want to go help Mama fix up her room? I think she's a little tired. Yep, here we are. Summer's gonna be over soon, but that's okay. Stay positive and get to work. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hi guys, I just recorded a clip, but it didn't record for some reason. So I'm in my classroom and I brought some stuff with me. These are some things that I got at a yard sale that I'm going to hang up in my classroom. I thought they're so cute, so I'm going to hang those up and then share them with the rest of my team and see who else wants them. And then I also got some chapter books. Yay, I'm so excited. And then I got some more stuff over there. My teacher partner that left, tear, she gave me a lamp and then a brand new rug over there, and then I took this table out of her room because I want to incorporate more tables in my room. I do flexible seating, and I think I need to be more flexible because I mainly have places to sit on the floor, and I have a couch. I have my cushions and stuff like that, but it seemed like last year my kids wanted to be at a table more, so I'll have 1, 2, 3, and then that one over there. I'm not going to use that for myself. I need to figure out something else to use for myself. So I'm getting rid of my teacher desk. So if you've seen my other vlogs, so this is the really pretty teacher desk that I'm going to give to my new partner, Leanne. I just don't want it in here anymore. I don't know. I'm kind of over it, and I just want to get a table, like I mentioned earlier, at IKEA. So I'm looking forward to moving stuff around. I'm keeping my wood wall because I love it. I am going to get rid of the white background, and I want to put up black. I'm just feeling black for some reason, so I want to put up black. So I'm going to work on this today. I'm going to take down the lights. I just want to put lights like up here, like above my boards over here. I think I need to put them where kids can't touch them, because this is what happens, and they would just pull like the tacks out of the wall, and now half of them don't work. So I'm going to work on that wall first, and then clean out my desk because I want to give it to my friend, and we'll go from there. And I had to shut my door because Miss Allie over here, she keeps running around everywhere. She seems to be having fun. Huh? All right, guys, I'm going to get to work and I'll check in soon. Okay, bye. Little alley, I put the dog bed down that I use in my classroom. I mean, you can't really tell this is a dog bed, right, guys? And look where she's at. I gave her some cashews and almonds because she likes to eat nuts and stuff with me, but maybe she's gonna go now. Go on to bed, baby girl. Go on to bed. Nope, she still won't go on it, and it used to be hers. Oh, I think she might. Can lay down, take a nap. No? Okay. All right, bye. You guys, I re-plugged my lights in and they all work. I don't know what happened, but that's awesome. I just put it like right in. Sorry about the fan. It's hot in here and I don't want to turn it off. But I put it right into the outlet and they all came on. My sweet girl finally calmed down. She climbed up on the couch. Hi, Allie. Okay, so I'm working over here. Like I said, I want to see if I can get that in frame. That stuff I'm just gonna redo it. I don't like how it's all mixed match in different colors. And I'm changing the border around here. That's just tape that held all this stuff up. So I'm putting this border up. I like this up against the wood because I'll have black over there. So I think it'll go good together. So we'll see. So I'm reusing. I am not buying a lot of new stuff, trying my best just to reuse. Okay guys, I'll show you when it's done. All right guys, so I got that border up. I just reused it. It was like over here. So I think the black looks good up against this. I like it. And it's cute because it kind of matches our Jaguar. So I reused, and this part kind of looks funny, but I had a spot right there, but I don't really care. Who's gonna notice it? So I'll forget it's there later on. But anyway, so that's what that board looks like. I think it looks a lot nicer because the gold was just blending in with, this gold was just blending in with the wood. Or did I have black up there? I had just black, but this has gold in it, so it goes good. So I still haven't got to my desk. I'll do that next. But I'm thinking I'm going to take this down because this blends in with this and put black around here because this background's going to be black, and then I'll do the gold borders here once I get the black paper. So I think I'm going to do that right now. Okay, check in soon. So that's what the black border is going to look like up against the wood. And I really like it. And I don't know. I don't know why I didn't do that last time, but I love this quote up here, but it blends in. So I'm going, like I said, I'm going to move it over there and see how it looks. I might just give it like a different color background or something. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do all the work of taking it down, but I don't like how it blends in. I don't feel like the kids notice it enough. I want to put it where they notice it more and they think about it more and say it more and it's meaningful to them. But we'll see. I don't know. I really like it, and Kaylee worked so hard putting all those letters up there. I hate to take them down. So we'll see. Okay, bye guys. Guys, I'm not going to have to move my quote because look how well it shows up now. Oh my gosh, I love it. I don't know why I didn't do black trim around it before. I think it's really gonna pop when those boards are black background and then gold, all my gold trim that I have left over here, and I have more in my closet. So, and then I'm going to use teal coloring because I have, you know, a lot of teal. Well, I used to have a lot of teal in here, but that is my favorite color, and I don't know. I think it'll look good. We'll see. I mean, because I'm going to have a black background, gold trim, and then the teal will be like a pop of color. So we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm just going to pick up a bit because I don't want to leave a mess, and then I'm going to move on to my desk, emptying out my desk. Hey okay. Guys, well, it is hours and hours later from the last time I talked to you. Sorry, my lamp in the background. I'm in my bedroom right now, as you can probably tell. So I did have to take my migraine medicine so I could function the rest of the day. Unfortunately, I've been having to take a lot of it lately. So it's gone, but I'm gonna turn my camera around so you can see what I've been working on. So I've just been prepping some stuff for myself and my teacher partner. I am just I'm adding some like subtle, I guess, cactus theme to my room. I was gonna buy a package, but honestly I've just been using clip art from online and adding it to PowerPoint, so I'll show you guys what I'm doing. My little desk right here in my bedroom. So I'm just working on my rules, and I just found this from online on PowerPoint. So I've got those here, and then I'll show you over here on my bed. So these are the first ones I made. And it was just a succulent that I found on PowerPoint, and I thought it was cute. So it looks like a clip chart, but it's not. But it just says behavior expectations at the top. If they're not following our classroom rules, and I'll go over those in a second, I just tell them they have a first warning for not following rule number 2 or whatever. If they do it again, they have a second warning. So these are just kind of like chances, and that's what I explain to the kids. There's no clips or anything. I just tell them, or my teacher partner said we could do like a signal like warning number 1, you know, instead of saying their name. If they do it again, they're removed from whatever we're doing, and they go to a reset spot and try to change their behavior. If they come out of the reset spot and they're doing better, and then say they break a rule again, they automatically go back to the reset spot, and then I contact their parents, either call them, email, or I also have a parent letter I can send home to show what they were doing in class. So and then at the top of this one, it just, instead of class rules, it just says classroom expectations and rule number 1, and these are the whole brain, is it called whole brain teaching? Follow directions quickly, raise your hand for permission to speak, raise your hand to leave your seat. This is one I added last year with my 3rd graders because there's so much drama and they would always get in each other's business. So we actually added this as a class. So I said I would do it this year with my new 3rd graders. And then rule number 5, respect yourself, respect others, respect your school. So I'm going to be hanging those up tomorrow in my classroom. And then I'm laminating my friends right now, and I just did hers in a white background because I'm not really sure what all colors she's going to do. I know she likes black, so I put some black on there just like on mine here. I did mine, I got this package of cardstock at Michael's, you know, because they have like 3 packs for $10. So it has these colors, and I thought these would be pretty because it's not really teal, which is okay, but these colors also go with the gold in my room, so I thought that would look nice. So we'll see how it looks tomorrow. I hope it looks good because it's a lot of work. And then I'll show you guys what I'm going to work on next. I don't know what, I have to look at my list, excuse me, or all my lists. Okay, hi guys, it's Saturday morning. It's still morning. I'm in my car right now. I have to go run a couple of errands. I haven't decided if I'm going to go back into my classroom today. I mean, I know it is going to be closed all next week, but I still do have plenty of time. I think I'm just overthinking everything. If I do go, I might go in the afternoon and take my kids with me, and they sleep all day. So, but it will just be to get my sit spot so I can bring them home and wash them. I saw on Vanessa's channel, 2nd Grade Life, that she was able to wash hers and they came out great. So I'm going to do that because a lot of my kids wrote on mine. But it would probably be just to do a couple things like that and have them help me, because yesterday it was so hot in there and the AC was on, but it was still, you know, it was barely coming on, and I ended up getting a headache. And I've had a headache all week, as you know, so I don't have one right now, and I don't want to get one, but I'm going to go run a couple errands right now, and I have to make some phone calls. My husband wants to get a tattoo for his birthday, so I'm going to see if I can get him an appointment today, and I'm going to go get my nails. I'm just going to get them painted because I took off my fake nails myself a couple weeks ago, which was stupid, but I was just tired of them and now I miss them. But my real nails are all messed up. So I'm just going to get them painted, get a manicure, and get fake nails again right before school starts. I'm not going to do it now because they'll just get messed up. But I really messed up my nails doing that, which was stupid, and I'll never do it again. But anyway, so I'm going to go run a couple errands, and I will check in again if I end up going to my classroom. If I don't go to my classroom, this might be the end of setup day 1, which was yesterday. And I will do some more prep and stuff, so I might include this in a vlog or make that a separate one. But until then, thank you for watching. God bless. If you have a chance, I do have an Amazon wish list. I hate to say that, but I wouldn't say it if I didn't need help, but I do need help with my classroom. Also, don't forget, your kids love you, God loves you, and you are an awesome teacher. Peace.